YouTube. Hello.
What's up?
We're gonna be.
They can't see. They can't see.
They can't see.
It's not that.
Okay.
All right.
What's going on, YouTube? Can they hear us? The mic's pretty.
Fuck yeah, they can hear us.
Yeah?
Best mic, I think.
Okay.
A car? Never been detailed his whole life.
Let's show them.
20 years never been detailed, bro.
So in today's video,
We're gonna show you how to detail a car, kind of.
it's not gonna be how. It's gonna be we're gonna attempt.
Oh, see how it comes out.
We're gonna learn, you know, what we fucked up on, and hopefully you guys can tell us too, like, hey, don't do that next time.
Can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
We're only using one bucket, so I don't want to hear it.
Well, yeah.
I don't want to hear, oh, why'd you use 2 buckets, bro?
Don't hate us for that, but
I just
next
don't have
time-
another bucket right now.
I'll show you. You see the bucket?
What happened was...
So what we're gonna use today, we got a Rupes Big Foot.
So LHR 21.
There you go. We have a selection of chemical guys, compounds, and finishers. So we're gonna try. Oh shit! You see all of them?
You can see them. Yeah.
Okay. So we're gonna try the V36 because the paint isn't really too bad on that car. So we're gonna see what this does, and if we need to, maybe go more aggressive, or we'll see what happens. But we're gonna try because we've never actually polished a car before, and so
This is actually our first time.
we're just gonna learn. Yeah, we bought that from a guy on Craigslist.
Cheapest one in the fucking country.
Yeah, definitely is.
100%. Should we tell how much it is?
We paid $230 for it.
With the bag.
It came with the bag, the polish,
and the apron.
and the apron. Where's the apron? You know what I need?
What?
I'll tell you what I need.
Yeah, this is the big one, the 7-inch. I don't know if it's a Mark II though. It might be. Oh, you guys can tell us.
So there's a pads.
Wait! I just found something. Bruh.
Oh!
Bruh.
Oh, we didn't even know.
This is so worth $200.
Ceramic.
Man, what the? So first step, we're gonna wash it with the pressure washer. And then we're gonna clay it, and then I guess we start.
We're using this clay bar kit, the McGuire's. So we'll see what this does.
It's got 2 bars.
Did it
of
come
clay.
with this?
Yeah.
So this is everything that it comes with.
Yeah. And a microfiber, which is cool.
So wash it, clay it, polish it, and what else?
That's it. That's it. If you guys want to see the paint, seal it is yeah.
So yeah, let's
see if we can show you a good angle of the paint.
You know what's good right there on this sun? I'll show you.
You can see it. Okay.
Yeah.
It's kind of dusty right now. I haven't washed
So
in like 2 weeks.
This is gonna be the before. So if you look from this, let's see if we can get on the camera.
You see any swirls?
Yeah. So if you come here, like you can hear the paint, you know. But you can see it's really hazy and like not very clear.
See our reflection right here.
Yeah, it's pretty hazy, and you can see there's a lot of orange peel. I don't know if the camera will pick it up.
Yeah.
But if you look, there's a lot of orange peel around the car. There's no really deep scratches, but there are like stone chips and stuff. Which we can't really do much about that.
There's one scratch which is not even that bad, but this is the only one I'm worried about. Can you see it right there? Yeah. So hopefully we can get that one out. That's all I care about. And like one right here. It's not a big deal.
Yeah, so there's just a bunch of little stuff.
But yeah, so I don't know if it's probably been polished before, considering how good the paint is.
It's definitely been polished before.
Yeah. Unfortunately can't ceramic coat it today, but we'll do that on his car.
And if you listen to it, let's see. Oh, I guess it's not too bad.
It's not too bad. There you go.
Okay. And then we come here, so we're gonna spray this Meguiar's Quick Detailer Mist and Wipe.
Mm-hmm.
Then we're gonna use the clay bar. And basically what we're gonna do is we're just gonna spray the area like so. Just whatever.
Good enough.
Done. And you take it and just.
That sounds horrible.
And now look, that's all dirt that's in the paint, even after the car wash. And then what you do with the clay bar is when you have a dirty spot like that, then you just pull it and keep doing it till you get like a new clean section. Boom! And you just go through the whole car. You can hear it.
Mm-hmm. You don't go in circular motions, right?
Do we?
No, you don't. You up and down.
Is that what it is?
Yeah.
I don't know, I was just doing it.
No, that's how you do. You're doing it right.
Yeah,
You
no,
circle-
because, see guys, I'm an expert.
He's Matt Mormon's son.
Yeah, he is my fault. Yeah, motherfuckers.
Hey, bro, my cousin can't do that.
Oh, alright, bitches. So, we got our Rupes now. I put my apron on just because I wanted to be fancy. So we got our Rupes.
Even Matt Mormon doesn't have an apron.
Well, he's fucking up, is what he's doing. We got a yellow pad, which is the fine pad. And then what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this right here. Put about 5 drops around the pad. And then I'm going to set it to speed setting 1. And I'm going to hold it down for on the hood. Which I guess you can't see because the camera's in there. Retarded angle. So watch.
Watch and learn.
Watch and, well, don't learn.
Don't learn, yeah.
Watch and critique. This is for the critics.
Oh, that's for the critics out there?
For the critics.
You opened the ball wrong.
Why?
I'm just, no, it's like a commentary.
For the
Oh, wow.
Oh, that one's not symmetrical with that one.
Oh, bro, they're gonna critique you.
Oh!
Now they're really gonna fucking critique you.
Okay. I'm scared because it's not my car. Oh. But I guess I'm also not scared because it's not my car.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
If I fuck up,
If you fuck
it's my fault, isn't
up.
it? You nervous?
No, I'm not. I'm actually not. Didn't he say you had to fuck with it or something? This thing or something? So after some technical difficulties,
Yeah, we fucked that up.
it was a bad cable.
It's okay. Back to speed number 1. I'm gonna hold it on. I'm gonna grab it here, and we're just gonna. I'm gonna do this for 15 seconds apparently.
What does that do?
It primes the pad, gets the thing all the compound everywhere. I say we should keep going.
I don't know, you tell me.
Is that 15 seconds? Probably not.
I don't think so.
Okay, we'll keep going. Okay, I'm gonna say that's prime.
So we wipe it down?
I mean, we could, yeah.
Moment of truth. Holy. You can literally see it.
Oh, you can look at that.
And you can just see the scratches right
And
there.
then, no, but look at how hazy it is, right?
Okay.
And then
Oh,
over it.
damn.
Go over it. Oh shit. Okay, let's do it. You want to do it?
I don't want to do it. You do it.
Why? So you can.
I
blame
mean,
me?
no. I'll do it, but I want to see you do it first.
Okay.
We should put tape on half the hood.
Okay, go put tape on.
Okay. That's not really half, but it was one-handed. Alright.
Okay.
How you feeling?
Nervous?
Moment.
Paint comes off.
It would.
It would.
I know. Oh my god, I can see it. Compare that to this. That looks like shit.
Look, right here.
Does it focus? Oh wow, you can see the metallic.
Wipe that shit off. Let's see what it looks like.
Let's see. Boy. Check this out. Look at that. Mirror.
Yeah. And obviously there is still some stuff in the paint, but
That's because we didn't compact.
yeah, we didn't buy the right pad. We got to get a more aggressive pad. But not bad for like a
Literally our
single
first time.
stage, yeah. And our first time too.
Yeah.
Trying to get a good angle. We're gonna go to the gas station so you can get some lighting because it's
True.
dark outside.
Throw some pictures in there if you get better ones.
Look at that shit.
Oh.
Right, there's no joke. We're going for a test drive. Test out the new polished. Does it feel faster now that it's clean? More,
Oh,
more air.
the air's just
yeah,
fucking
that's true.
The air's just gliding off the thing, dude.
It's just gliding.
Wow, it's like the air is like. No
You can feel it, huh?
No resistance.
I believe it.
That's insane.
I mean, you don't. You guys didn't hear the shuttering. That's fake news.
And you also didn't hear me mischief.
No, that was
a.
banging rev limiter is not what he does.
That's not. You're stupid if you think I did that.
Stupid.
You're fucking on drugs. When you buy this,
Yeah.
you put,
What happens?
you're here like every day.
How much is it gonna? Damn, right there's the shot. All right. So should we go home?
I guess we shall.